Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're tired of scrolling forever in the Target app and you just want to find what you need fast, filtering is that shortcut. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search and filter items quickly in the Target app. So the first step is going to be, obviously, to open the app. And then down at the bottom, there is a search bar for you to type in what you're looking for. So I am doing storage bins. And then I hit search. From there, you have some options at the top. You have filter, you also have pickup, delivery. Those are some shortcuts. But today we are going to tap filter. Now you can choose the options you want. This is where it gets so much easier. You can filter by pickup or shipping like you could in the previous screen, but you can also set a price range, pick a brand, and even filter by rating. When you're done, you will tap see results at the bottom. So for here, I'm going to tap category, and then I'm going to select home, and then I'm going to see all the results. And now you only see the items that actually match what you want. So no endless scrolling, no guessing, just the good stuff you want to see. And that's the best and easiest way I know how to fix this. If you know of an easier way, drop it in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.